Well, stopped off, got the bike. Gonna take a quick run up the trail here and go get some more leeks. I was out Saturday, which it was pouring rain, and I got a few. Well, get out the highway here. Oh, going to find some leeks. Going for leeks. Oh, it's a little drier today. Oh, somebody's been back here. Ooh, there's the back end. So this is where I went Saturday in the rain. There's a patch there, there. All up that hillside there. There's the trilliums there. They're out. But, it's a little soupy in here. I think I'm going to head further into the trail and see if she's a bit drier. I'll bring you back then. Bye-bye. Alrighty, well, there's some other crap here, but yeah, I think they've been cutting wood back here. That looks fresh over there, but yeah, it was right here somewhere where I was camping the other year. Oh Jesus, look at that. Oh, the old trilliums are out. Now where did it? Oh, there it is. Huh. Toilet's still there. Well, oh yeah, that's good shape. Maybe I'll come back here again. Well, anyway, the reason why we came, I better get under here. Ooh, look at that. This is what we're here for. Wild leeks. It's a garlicky onion kind of thing. They only seem to be around this time of year in the spring. Out in the woods here, and oh, they is good. I can feel it. I was expecting to see people back here. At least there were nice people, not get off my property people. But, yeah. Oh, look at that one. Well, you guys don't need to watch me do this, so I'm gonna turn this thing off and get to work here for a bit until the sun starts going down, I guess. Oops, cracked that one. Oh well, still good. Alright, well, I'll bring you back whenever I'm done here. Oh, time to get out of here. We got a few leeks there. Enough for 3 jars. Pickle them up. Bit of hot pepper, some vinegar. That'd be good with some cold beer. But the little black flies are driving me crazy, so time to go. And yeah, that's probably all for this video. I don't think I'm gonna bother recording going out. It's the same as coming in, just a trail. But yeah, peace.